Hello Zenbeez, it's time for Dance with Duo Tangles, a new series on my YouTube channel. Join me to create a Zentangle Mini Project using only two tangles. This is our Dance with Duo Tangle project number 20. You can watch all our previous projects from this series on the playlist Dance with Duo Tangles. I'm SANDHYA Manne. I'm an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I post here every Tuesdays. For today's project, we are working with Tangles Spoken and Antidots. So we will be working on a regular white square tile, black pen, pencil and stub. So go grab your supplies and let's get started. On to tangling now. Find more projects like this on my Instagram channel. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to work with spoken and antidotes. So I am kind of going to start with a border. So go ahead and add 4 dots on 4 corners and connect them freehand. Okay. So I'm going to start with a circle like that, and then a circle that goes along with that, and then I'm going to pull out spokes like this and an aura line like that. So I'm going to keep rotating my tile and keep pulling out spokes like that. So keep rotating and keep pulling out spokes like this. Okay, so now we're going to make these spokes in the opposite direction. Another layer of spokes going this way. Okay. So remember, we are going behind what's already there. I think I'm going to stop right now. We're going to add flat in the centermost one. So now we're going to do antidotes.
So antidotes is, it goes like this. You make a teardrop shape and then you kind of go about adding auras to that. So I'm working in the section that has more space for me to add this filler tangle.
Hope you had fun on this project with me. I would love to see your creations. So head on to our Facebook group Zenbeez where all the after party fun happens. Share your creations there and check out the works by other Zenbeez. If you're sharing your works on social media, then please do tag me at SANDHYA MANNE or hashtag Tangle with Sandhya so I get to see your lovely works and I do stop by to comment. A quick note, these projects and these videos are for your personal use and no part of this can be used for any kind of commercial purposes. To understand the Zentangle method and to get started on your own Zentangle journey, check out my website www.sandhyamannestudio.com for classes, courses, and workshops. If you're just getting started, I highly recommend start with my beginners workshop, which is called the Fundamentals of Zentangle, as we cover all the basics of the Zentangle method. Now click on the link Tangle tutelage in the description to receive a free gift when you sign up and get weekly inspirations and updates on all the cool things that I'm doing across social media. If you are on Instagram, follow me on my Instagram handle at Sandhya Manne so you get all the studio updates. Now it's time to comment. Please comment and let me know how you enjoyed this project because that really helps me plan out my next set of videos. Also, it's time to show some love, so hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I post here every Tuesdays. Now, I shall see you next week with another set of Duo Tangles. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.